There are so many options available in the market, the process of finding the best adjustable dumbbells for beginners can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The one that stands head and shoulder above the rest, is the HAPBEAR Adjustable Exercise Dumbbell Set. A feature complete, adjusted from 5 pounds to 25 pounds, the smooth rotation of 180 degrees can bring you a high-quality home training experience. To give you the best experience, when you rotate the grip to adjust the weight, the eye-catching weight indicator pin can help you accurately locate the weight indicator, and train scientifically and effectively. Easily train the whole body muscles, with a variety of training methods, suitable for men and women. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why this model is worthy of consideration. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.